James here on Shelter Food and Beer, and I have smoked myself some prime rib, chopped it up, let it rest, and now I'm gonna do some sandwich prep. These rolls are from my wife's own two little hands. She made them out of her sourdough starter, which she started during that pandemic thing. Happened to be one of my favorite products she came up with her sourdough starter, and we have a lot of it. The aroma coming off this bread is unbelievable. I'm doing 5 sandwiches. Typically, that's a week's worth of eats, and these will definitely last a week. I will dress the bottom bun with a lovely and generous portion of mayo. You of course want to rake it with some horseradish. I love my horseradish prime rib slices. On each bun. This smoked prime rib is fan-freaking-tastic, let me tell you. And I gotta pile it on because when I take these for my lunch, it's pretty much a sandwich and a couple pieces of fruit, and I'm good. Onions, mushrooms, and peppers that I sauteed and rendered down. I will pile this goodness on here. Oh. Cover it with a nice piece of Swiss cheese. And for the top bun, I use my favorite dipping sauce, J. Leroy's. This is a local product. It's in Oroville, which is about 75, 80 miles away from here. And I just squirt some of this goodness on here. Cap it off.